Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do your Shopify test order. So to do that, first go to your Shopify store, and once you're here, let's add some product first to do test orders. So I'm just going to do it quickly and then save it. Alright, so to do the test order, all you have to do is click on settings and then click on plan, click on payments, and then just go to choose a provider, and over here you can see for testing bogus gateway, click here, and then you have to activate this, and let's go to this link as well. All right, so here we have this testing enabled. So now go to this website. All right, so now all you have to do is just fill in the details. All right, good, continue to payment. Here we have this bogus gateway active. I'm just going to do this and then click on pay now. Let's copy this. All right, now let's click on buy now, and there you go. So that is how you can do your product testing. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.